Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm starting off by showing my previous nail design, which if you missed that video, I highly recommend that you go back and watch it, and then also the matching toe set that I did. But I just wanted to show how the bling held up. All of them are still on, my nails and my toes. But yeah, I'm getting ready to take those off so that I can do this set, but I'll give an update on the toe set in about 2 weeks. But for this video, I'm going to be trying out this Lucky Bag from the brand Vetsy, and it's basically a nail art mystery box. This is $10 and it's supposed to be a value of $30 or more. So I'm just going to show everything that I got in my Lucky Bag. So the first thing is these dried flowers, which I absolutely love. Super cute. I got these, and I did also have one of these from Makartt. So yeah, it came in a Makartt's Ocean Couture kit, and it's like the same exact thing. So yeah, I thought this was super cute, and I did use it for this particular design. And then it also came with these butterfly stickers. So they're not decals, they're stickers, and I really do love these because they have like that metallic look to them, and they just look really pretty. So I did use them in this design. So yeah, I just thought those were really cute. And then I also got some more stickers. These are, I believe, cheetah print. So I was like, this would be so cute for like an animal print design. So I'll definitely use those in the future. But yeah, this is how they look. Super cute. It also came with some tape. So it had some French tip tape and then these lines. I forgot to show the other tape, but it really didn't show up that well on camera because it's white. But yeah, it also came with these stickers, and these are super cute. They're like holographic, and I believe it's just some flowers on this one, and then the other one has some stars, hearts, and butterflies. But yeah, I just love how reflective they are, and I will definitely be using these in the future. I also wanted to mention that this mystery bundle really is a mystery bundle. There are some other nail brands that I've seen YouTubers review their mystery bundles, and they all got the same thing, which kind of defeats the purpose. But I saw some other videos where people had the Lucky Bag from this brand and everyone had something different. So yeah, I also got some glitters, a pink glitter, and then this is the glitter that I'm going to be using for this nail design, which is just a holographic silver glitter. Super pretty. The Lucky Bag also comes with one polygel color. So I got this gold glitter color, which is super cute. I would love to use this during like the holiday season. But yeah, I did go ahead and swatch it, and I just used like the Femi Beauty method and put it inside of a full cover nail tip. And then I just used some base coat gel to smooth it out. But the polygel seems to be pretty good. The consistency is nice. And I did also get a polygel kit from this brand, and I'll probably be reviewing it next week or either the week after that. But yeah, I'm just going to go in and cure that in the lamp once I smooth it out, and then you'll be able to see it a little bit better like from the front. So this is how it looks. Super pretty. It also came with a chrome stick, which is just like the Galaxy sticks from Makartt. So the color that I got is gold, and I just decided to put it over the nail tip that I already have out just to swatch it so that you can see. I did off camera, I went in and applied a layer of base coat gel and cured that in the lamp, and then I just went over it with the chrome powder just to help it stick a little bit better. But yeah, this is how it looks, and I just went in and just rubbed that all over the nail. Also, before I get too far into the video, I wanted to go ahead and do my featured comment. So thank you so much, Alicia's Glam Nails, for your comment on my previous video. I really appreciate it. The last thing that came with the kit is just this cuticle oil pen, and basically you just twist one end of the pen, and then it just puts the oil inside of the brush part, and you can just brush it on. For this design that I'm doing, I'm going to be doing the après dupe method, and I'm going to be doing an encapsulated glitter ombre design. So I tried to stick to using the products that came in the Lucky Bag. The only other things that I had to use were top coat and base coat, and of course the nail tips. So I have links to those products along with the Lucky Bag in the description box. But to do the encapsulated glitter ombre, I just went in with some base coat gel inside of the nail, and then I'm just taking taking a small brush and placing the glitter inside of the nail, and I'm just gradually going downwards towards the cuticle area of the nail. And as I get towards that section, I have less glitter on the brush, so then it does like a gradual fade or ombre. So it's super easy to do. I felt like because the kit doesn't really come with much, I decided to do a design that's super beginner friendly and simple, but it's a design that's still also pretty glam because of the glitter. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and do that to each of the nails, just putting the glitter inside and just gradually fading it down. Once I have that cured in the lamp, I'm just going to go in and apply it using the Après Dupe method. So I have some base coat gel that I'm putting on my natural nail, and then I'm also putting some inside of the nail. I'm going to turn on my lamp, press the nail on, and then I'm just kind of holding it in front of the lamp to secure it into place. I decided to incorporate some of the dried flowers, so I was going back and forth between those two blue colors because I felt like the holographic kind of reflected blue. So I decided to just go in with the darker blue. So I'm putting some base coat gel inside of the nail, and then I'm just picking up two dried flowers and just placing them inside of the nail and just kind of moving it around with the brush until I have them where I want them. I did go back in and add some glitter around the flowers also, and then I put a little bit more base coat gel on the underside of the nail just so I can make sure the flowers were nice and secure, and then I just secured that in the lamp and apply it how I did the rest of the nails. Once I have all of the nails on, I decided to add some butterfly stickers. So I wasn't sure exactly where I wanted to place them, but I decided to just put them on the ring finger, and I just added 2 of those. And then I was trying to think what else I could do to kind of add to the design. So I decided to take the outline of the star stickers and I just tried to use that as a stencil, but this really did not turn out right, but I decided to just leave it in the video. So basically I put it on and just pressed it down on the nail. I went over it with some base coat gel and then I cured that in the lamp. And I think where I went wrong is that I ended up taking it off and then I went in with the chrome powder when really I should have left it on. I think it would have turned out really nice and would have had, you know, like the chrome stars on the nail. But once I did this, it was portions that didn't have the base coat gel on it that the chrome powder was still sticking to. So yeah, I ended up taking that nail off and completely redoing it. So this is how this set ended up turning out. I really do love the Lucky Bag. I wish it would have came with some rhinestones or something, but for $10 I would say that the things that it comes with are pretty good. I don't know if it's really a $30 value, but I would say it's still a good amount of product for $10. But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Bye!